Is your iPhone screen completely black and won't turn on? Here are 4 fast fixes to force restart your phone right now. Let's go. Fix number 1. If your iPhone screen is black and completely unresponsive, here's the exact button combo to force restart it. What you're going to do is you're going to quick press volume up, volume down, and then you're going to hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. And then you'll let go once you see the Apple logo. Fix number 2. If your iPhone battery is completely dead and the screen won't even show the charging icon, your port is likely blocked. With the phone off, take a flattened Q-tip and dip it in 99% rubbing alcohol. I like to use a plier to basically get this really, really flat and then stick it into the charging port and try and clean it as much as possible. Make sure you don't accidentally turn the phone on and let it sit for 15 minutes before plugging it back into your charger. Fix number 3. If your iPhone display is glitched out, but you can still feel the phone vibrating, your screen settings might be bugged. Once you get the phone to turn back on, go to Settings, scroll down to Accessibility, scroll down to Touch, and toggle Tap to Wake off. Wait a few seconds and turn it back on. Fix number 4. If your iPhone is stuck on the Apple logo and keeps looping, you have to push a forced update. Plug your iPhone into your Mac or PC, open Finder or iTunes, and follow the pop-up prompt to update the software without deleting your data. Drop a comment letting me know which fix brought your iPhone back to life. I appreciate all the support, and I'll see you guys in the next one.